Rich Motts with the Motts team with Cutler Real Estate. Don't miss our mega open house. It's this Saturday, March 19th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is the first time this property can be viewed by both realtors and public from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday, March 19th. This property is priced at $140,000 and all the main systems have been pretty recently updated. The furnace is 2008. The central air is just 2 to 3 years old. There's a newer water heater, 2018. Siding and roof are only 3 years old. 100 amp circuit breakers and vinyl windows throughout the house. Property just needs a little cosmetics, paint, and carpet to build your immediate equity. But check out this property. It's a beautiful raised ranch, and you see the living room, a couple kitchen shots there, and a master bedroom. There's also a very large backyard. In fact, there's a family room in the lower level with sliding glass doors that walk out to the backyard, and there's 2 full baths in this home with a 2-car attached garage, so don't miss it. It's our mega open house, again, Saturday, March 19th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 419 Riverview Street, Canal Fulton, Ohio, 44614. And don't forget to bring your kids, as we have some giveaways, a couple Easter baskets for boys, a couple Easter baskets for young ladies, and also for all the adults, some Reese eggs, man. Who doesn't love those? So definitely stop by, register, check out this property, and don't forget, Canal Fulton homes are up $44,000, $44,350 last year in value. They are up. So if you want to know your property's value, go to www.yourincreasedhomevalue.com. Again, that's yourincreasedhomevalue.com to get your listings, your home's price sent to you in minutes. So check out one more time our listing, open all day Saturday. That's March 19th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 419 Riverview Street in Canal Fulton. We'll see you then.